皆さん、ニューイングオールのキッチンへようこそ。今日はコックさんのジェシーさんがニューイングオールの焼き鳥の手羽先のソースを作ってみます。
Okay, so today we're going to be doing Yakitori New Wing Order style. It's going to be our signature fried wings tossed in a Yakitori sauce. It's a very simple recipe, just 7 ingredients, and it starts with fresh ginger, fresh garlic, sugar, sake, soy sauce, mirin, and we'll thicken it up on the stove with a little bit of cornstarch. All right, so we're starting off with a half a cup of soy sauce, full sodium soy sauce. We are then going with a half a cup of mirin, going a fourth of a cup of sake, fourth of a cup of sugar. Go ahead and whisk that in a little bit. And then just slices of ginger. You don't have to peel it or anything. This is getting strained out, so we'll go 2 slices of ginger, and you can do that to your liking. If you love ginger, add some more. If you don't, you can always leave it out. And then garlic. If it's peeled garlic, you don't even have to peel it. Like I said, it's going to be strained out. So I'm just going to crush this garlic a little bit with my knife, so it brings some of the flavors out. And I'll add 2 cloves there. And again, you can add more if you want, or none if you want to. And we're going to bring that to a boil. This just came to a boil. And we're doing this for 3 reasons. 1, we're cooking the alcohol out from the sake. 2, to thicken it up. And 3, to infuse that ginger and garlic flavor into the sauce. So now that it's come to a boil, we're going to add, we've got a tablespoon of cornstarch here. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of cold water to it. This is called a slurry, and it really just helps thicken sauces up. We'll whisk this until it's nice and smooth. Then we're going to pour that into the sauce. And then you immediately want to whisk it again, and you'll start to feel that sauce thicken up almost immediately. Now we're going to let it go about another minute or 2. Then we'll strain that garlic and ginger out, and our sauce is done. Alright, so after the cornstarch slurry, we let it go another minute or 2 until it came to a nice thickness. And now we're going to strain this garlic and ginger out. I got my strainer here. And then you can see it's thickened up. And you really want to look to see if it'll coat the back of a spoon like that. And it is, and that's the perfect consistency for our wings. Alright, our yakitori sauce is done. We're going to head up to the truck and toss these on our award-winning wings. Alright, so here are our wings, fresh out the fryer. We're going to toss them into a large bowl. And here's our final product for the yakitori sauce. We're going to be real generous with it. Coat them. Toss them until they're fully coated. Transfer them for plating. Can't waste any of that sauce. Then we're going to garnish them with just a little bit of sesame seeds. A little bit of fresh scallion. And there you have it, our yakitori wings going out the window.